Chinese President Xi Jinping visited the International Logistics Hub Park during his inspection in southwest China's Chongqing municipality. Why did he choose this park? What is so special about it?
Chongqing is definitely not an ordinary city. The sprawling metropolis, so crisscrossed by mountains and rivers, they wouldn't expect to be a transportation hub in southwest China. China-Europe Freight Trade Service is the flagship program of Belt and Road Initiative, and Chongqing is one of the first cities in the country to offer such service. With expanding rail freight network linking China and Europe, today's Chongqing has become a pivotal hub for China-Europe freight trains.
Here's the Tuanjiecun station in Chongqing. The bustling activity here on any given day was beyond imagination before 2011. That year, the inaugural China-Europe freight train set out from this station for Duisburg, Germany. The pivotal moment unfolded Tuanjiecun's remarkable transformation into a world-class freight logistics hub. Jiang Tong was the driver of that first train.
从2011年中国班列开行至今，我们的人员当初的10几个人司机，到现在的70几个、80几个班来跑中国班列，我们司机增加了，还有就是货物的增加。
它比我们传统的海运的话，至少要快30天以上。第1年开始，我们只发了17班，通过10来年的发展，我们的这个班列的开行数量高峰时期的话，我们每周的班列的开行量会达到100班。
Data from China's railway operator showed that by the end of March this year, the train services had expanded to cover 222 cities across 25 European countries. With Tuanjiecun Station as a major terminal, the train services handled by Chongqing and the city of Chengdu in the neighboring Sichuan province now reach over 110 cities in Europe and Asia.
Tuanjiecun is also an important station in the new International Land-Sea Trade Corridor, another key project under Belt and Road Initiative. Launched in 2017, the Trade and Logistics Passage links Western China and ASEAN countries.
西部陆海新通道与中欧班列长江黄金水道在重庆实现无缝衔接，运输货物品类从开行之初的53种增加至目前的1100余种，出口主要为汽车、成套设备等，并逐步向新能源汽车、锂电池等新三样产品转变。进口主要为橡胶、水果等东盟特色农产品。目前辐射121个国家和地区的503个港口。
Chongqing, though an inland city, has achieved economic prosperity with the continued opening up. Today, as many international logistics channels converge here, the mountainous city, once hampered by its geographical location, is now leveraging its connectivity, playing a strategic fulcrum role and transforming into a crucial highland for opening up.